está pasando aquí?
What the fuck I do? Go away!
Mira aqui, amiga, a ciência de parar, papá. Ora, uma licença que aqui, bota que dá parar, papaio. Hey.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day. And when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Your friends chillin', day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Peeping your IG pictures on my phone. I won't spend another night at home. Okay, I'ma just be on my way. You'll see I'm not the one you take for granted, babe. I know that life can be busy, love. For the ones you love, it's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done. Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day. And when the sun...
What is up, amiga? Welcome back to the channel. Ooh, hit them notes. We are here at the biggest mall of Europe, or at least we didn't say that. They claimed that. So we're gonna see today if that's actually the
We gonna see what's what or whatever.
Yes.
Y'all gonna see. Gonna take y'all along.
Because the biggest mall of Europe, that is quite a statement if you ask me. So I'm ready to see if this is really the biggest mall of Europe. And I'm here with my sis, so you know it's about to be a good vlog. Okay? Subscribe to my channel.
Hey, subscribe. Smash that button.
Smash the like button.
Bring my sis to 5K.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. And also subscribe to my sister's channel, Jennyfer Ross. Okay, it will be in the description box down
y'all
below.
gotta subscribe though. The sis cannot bring y'all content if y'all not subscribing.
I mean, hello.
Hello.
You watch, we post. You don't watch, we don't post.
Hey.
We totally stole that from Denzel Dion. I need to stop stealing. No, we don't do that like over here. Okay? Anyway, we're way too hyped up. We're gonna go into the mall and see how it is. Yesterday, Benny and I came to the Netherlands. I filmed like a few clips that you have probably seen by now. And today, it's mall time with my sis. And then after this, I'm gonna go home and have dinner with Dana and Benny. But first, gozadera. Let's go!
Time's been moving slowly.
Alright, what is our first impression of the mall, Amix? What is our first impression of the mall?
Sorry. I think it's pretty.
Yeah, so up until now, I feel like it's very big indeed. I don't really know where to go and stuff.
I don't really know where to go.
Yeah.
That's what I wanted to. What is your first impression of
It is very busy. There are a lot of people everywhere. But the mall on its own looks pretty big. So, yeah, it's pretty big.
I'm sweating balls, and the lines are like so
The lines are
long.
crazy. I don't know about shopping here though, but yeah, it's nice. So, montage coming in now.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need community.
Hey guys, we are now at Omar Muni. We're now at Omar Muni, and we met the nicest two ladies. Say hi to the vlog. Hey.
I ain't hearing nothing, I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach.
Monica, zo is het zo lugar. Ja man. Ook deze dingen, like wow. Oh my god, the turtle. The turtle.
Yeah, better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know.
So amiga, we just went to the restrooms. They are free, by the way, which is always a plus. And now we're getting something to drink in the supermarket, which is jumbo. And it's a very big jumbo. Like, I'm not mad at that.
Love interrupted by tragedy, lost in the drought of nightfall, running in search of the remedy, trying to find her place in it all, focused only on the negative.
Look at all the moaning syrup.
Attract this pain.
It's like literally, oh, even blue for
Perception
herself.
is what will manifest. Thought she could escape.
Ik ook. Hey amiga, we are now having a little drink. We're now having the watermelon version of the Rebel, our bad bitch. our bad bitch juice that we always drink. So cheers, Ami.
Cheers.
Cheers.
To being a bad bitch.
Hey, for life. Yeah, but yeah, we're having a little break. The mall is really fun, but we don't really have to buy anything. So I don't know why we decided. Oh, we came to the mall because it was bad weather, right?
Just to check it out.
Yeah, and to check it out. But we don't really specifically need anything. And it's also very, very busy everywhere. So the lines are crazy. Yeah, the waiting line is just crazy.
Like, you cannot do anything.
No,
Like
no.
always scared of shit from these turtles. No.
Turtles?
Oh, turtles. I'm so
Crow.
stupid.
Birds.
Birds.
And, yeah, birds. But yeah, it's very, very busy everywhere. So if you even want to buy something, you have to wait in the line for
like
so
30
long.
minutes.
Yeah.
Or something. Ain't nobody doing that.
We tried to go into Swarovski because it was a very pretty store.
Yeah, we
and I
waited
thought
for
maybe
like 8 minutes.
yeah, I thought it would be cute to get like matching earrings as sisters or something. But then we decided to leave because it was just too crazy. So we might take the bus to The Hague later and then have a Starbucks there or something.
Like a coffee or something. This is really crowded.
Yeah, it
like,
is.
I don't
But
know.
it's fun to see and to be
It's
out
fun
and
to
be.
see, and if you really want to shop, me personally, I became like a bitch, an online bitch. I never was an online bitch,
Yeah.
but right now,
Online
that's
shopping
what
it
we're
is.
doing,
Yeah,
'cause
it's easier.
this, I can
Sit at home and watch for them to deliver it because
Yeah.
this is just crazy.
and watch for them to deliver it.
Wait for them to deliver it. And also, I would wait a little bit because the mall is pretty new. So I think
would
like it's
come,
very
like,
hype.
I would come like
Early, yes. That also helps because it's just getting busier and busier in the mall. So
Yep.
yeah, that's our little 2 cents on the matter. We're now gonna drink our Red Bull and have a little break.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna go back in. Yeah, do some redo. And after that, we'll see what will happen. So yeah. Kata passando aqui.
What the fuck I'm doing? Go away! Bye, Mo. It was fun.
It was overrated though. Yeah, it was.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you.
Amiga, we are now back in the city of The Hague. The mall was a little overrated, in my opinion. What is your opinion on it?
Yeah, it was overrated.
Yeah, it was nice though. You know, you have shops there like every other mall, but to me it wasn't that special. Even though like the first impression was like, whoa, but I guess like that's because I've never been there before and that's why it's called the first impression.
It was like nice if you live in the neighborhood.
Yes. Then I can imagine that it's an epic mall to go to. So yeah, we're now gonna try to go to the Chinatown here in The Hague. And after that maybe have some Starbucks. And then maybe Primark. Maybe we can try to see how busy Primark is. If it's not too crazy, then we can do it. And otherwise, another time. And yeah, we'll catch up with you in a sec.
Nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Giving we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug.
I don't know what the F we bought, but it's supposed to be bubble tea. We'll see. All right.
I'm not mad at it. It's good. Beter.
It's okay.
Si babae ina.
It's very refreshing though.
Ja.
Right?
Si babae ina. Dan heb je echt de juiste manier.
It's buzzing. It's buzzing.
Ja, is best. Dit is raar.
Mira aqui, amiga, ciência de parar, papá. Ora, uma licença que aqui bota que dá parar, papaio. Hey.
I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Hey, Castro. Hello? Hello, Lily. Hello? What is my bum? I'm scared.
At sundown, come down, think about where we are. It's a long way, way up to everything that we want. But if we take a moment to get closer, closer to the things we love, it's not a long way, way to the spot where we already are. Stay here under the palm tree.
Alright, amiga, we finished making dinner. The weight came off because it was just a lot after a long day. But dinner is ready. We're about to have our seafood boil and I'm so excited. It's been a while since we ate this, so I'm really, really happy. So yeah, let me show you what we have on our plate. Ooh, lobster. And here we have like a raw situation. And aioli mayo, because that's just the best sauce ever. Yeah. And wine. And dinner is a winner.
Lately, my thoughts got me distant. Darker days filling up.
Morning, amiga. It's the next day. I came out for a walk, but it's so busy everywhere. I wanted to get a top at H&M, but I don't know if I'm gonna manage to do it because if there's a crazy line, I'm not doing it. Like, period, I'm not doing it. But yeah, let's go.
Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this shit fly? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive, you getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too damn good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming no way.
Alright, amiga, a little bummer. The H&M that I went to was closed. So I decided to come here and have some lunch by myself because why not? I am at the Luca in the Passage in The Hague and I already ordered. So I'm waiting for my food to get here and I'm just gonna sit here and spend some time with myself, listen to some music and just observe, you know? Just like that. And I already have my cappuccino. So, gosh.
I know you're typing every game you try to play. You know you could get replaced.
By the way, there's another H&M, so I might go to that H&M and see if it's open there. So hopefully it is, but if it's not, it's fine. I just wanted to get like a warmer sweater since this is what I'm wearing right now, and tonight we're going to Tiffany and Jonathan, and I wanted to wear something a little bit warmer when we're going there, so that's what I wanted to go to H&M for. But I'll try the other H&M, and if it's not open, yeah, then too bad, you know, too bad for me. Alright, amiga, my food is here. Here I have 2 croquettes. I think that's something typically Dutch. A sandwich, mustard, and a salad that I'm honestly I don't know if I will be eating that, but bon appetit.
Trying to get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Gonna lead a drama, cause I'm too grown. Let you deal with that alone. I'ma get back when I do, don't call my phone and don't leave the lights on for me.
Hey Lizzie. Hallo schatje. Hallo schatje.
Told you you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need.
Yo guys, we have been at Tiffany and Jonathan's house for such a long time. And I just had such a good time that I forgot to vlog. But yeah, I thought I would pull out my phone at least to film a little clip. Here they have like some dessert. We already had dinner. It was delicious. And now I'm gonna show you quesillo. That's what we're gonna have for dessert. And Jonathan. And Tiff there in the back. And brood.
Share love in the ocean, but if you wanna go insane, either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night.
Je moet gewoon puntjes. Maakt niet uit hoe. Maakt niet uit. Je kan ook zo doen. Je kan ook zo doen. En dan is het zo.
Pizza?
Ja. En dan
Aan kaarsen, maar kijk wel die kaarsen. Nee. Maar die kikaas.
Nee, die kersen.
I know. Maar die kikaas.
Die kersen die erop doen.
Heb je niet? Heb je wel, toch?
It's fine, son. Medita que hace, lo que celebrar. ¿Quién quase aí en tussentijd? Nós te canta, canta.
Jullie aanwezigheid als kaarsen dat geluid.
It's fine. Is het zo goed of nog kleiner?
Nee, dat is goed.
Ja? Alright. Oh. Oh.
Wat zou ik weten? Je moet wel je bord opbuigen, want het gaat drippen.
It's fine. Oh my god. This is a jiggly situation. Yes, the black. See how it.
Ja.
Oh yes. Think what they open.
Madame,
Ja?
hoe lang moet ik nog filmen?
Kom met je uit.
Kom met mijn bord. You got it.
I did it!
Thank
En
you.
jij nog, Tiff? Yes. Yay! I did it! Bon appetit! The aesthetic. For the aesthetic. Brito, mas eu tenho que imitar, porque é aesthetic. Ei, mira, yayo. Yes.
Is important.
See what I have to deal with?
The aesthetics are important. Aesthetics matter, Benny.
Hey, you know what matter?
What? The taste?
Eat, to eat. Y'all are making too much.
Aesthetic stuff?
No. Te veel moeder voordat jullie gaan eten.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first
Good morning, amiga. It is now the next day, and it's actually the day that we're going home. I am now in the process of getting ready. I just finished taking a shower, put on my wig and my scarf and everything, and now I'm about to get dressed. Maybe we're gonna have like some food before we go. But yeah, it's basically the going back home day. I look so freaking pale. What is happening? I need sun, man. I need sun. But anyways, I'm gonna talk to you in a little bit. I'm gonna finish getting dressed and stuff. Just wanted to say hi and welcome back to the vlog. Yesterday was, by the way, really fun at Tiffany and Jonathan's house. I totally forgot to vlog there, and I just filmed a few clips with my phone. I hope that's okay. But yeah, I was just in the moment, enjoying, having a good time with my friends, and just didn't think that much of vlogging. This is the first time, by the way, that I'm here and that I just really took it easy and just enjoyed being in the moment. Well, I cannot with this paleness. But anyways, I'm gonna finish getting dressed and I'll talk to you later.
There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now.